For decades, this forgotten museum stood silently in the heart of Turkey. Its doors were locked, its halls were dusty, and its history was nearly forgotten. Then one day, a team arrived with a mission: to bring the old museum back to life. They began removing decades of dust, revealing details hidden beneath the neglect. Beautiful Ottoman craftsmanship slowly appeared beneath the layers of dirt. But then, one worker noticed something strange behind an old wall. Behind the stones was a hidden space that no one expected to find. And inside that darkness was an ancient wooden chest. They carefully pulled it from the wall and carried it into the restoration room. The chest had remained sealed for generations. What was hiding inside? When the lid finally opened, they discovered beautifully preserved manuscripts. Some contained delicate Arabic calligraphy that had survived for centuries.
Then came ancient maps, revealing how people once understood their world.
But the chest had another secret: a hidden compartment underneath.
Inside were ancient coins, beautiful calligraphy, and artifacts hidden for generations. Experts arrived to study the discoveries and uncover their forgotten stories.
And the treasures were not the only secrets. More history was hiding beneath the walls.
After months of careful work, the forgotten museum began to breathe again. Visitors could finally see the treasures that had been hidden from the world.
Wow!
Because sometimes, the greatest treasures aren't lost, they're simply waiting to be remembered.